Module 2, NPN transistor. An NPN transistor is one of the two main types of bipolar junction transistor, the other being PNP. The NPN transistor is a three-layer semiconductor device and it is used for many applications such as amplification, switching, and signal modulation. The layers in an NPN transistor are composed of alternating N-type and P-type semiconductors. The figure shows the structure and symbol of an NPN transistor. An NPN transistor consists of three layers: emitter, base, and collector. Emitter is of N-type and the emitter is heavily doped. It has excess electrons. This is the region that emits electrons into the base. Base, P-type. The middle layer is P-type material, which means that excess of holes. The base is thin, lightly doped, and controls the flow of current between emitter and collector. Collector, that is of N-type semiconductor, and it is moderately doped compared to emitter. Its role is to collect electrons that have passed through the base. Operation of NPN transistor. NPN transistor operates as a current amplifier. When the transistor is in its active mode or linear mode of operation, the current flowing through the base controls the much larger current flowing between emitter and collector. Forward bias of base emitter junction. When a small current called the base current is applied to the base relative to the emitter, it forward biases the base emitter junction and it allows electrons to flow from emitter into base. In NPN transistor, the emitter is made up of N-type material, so it has excess of free electrons. And these electrons are injected into the base when the base emitter junction is forward biased. But the base is very thin and lightly doped. So most of the electrons that enter the base do not recombine with holes, but instead move towards the collector, and this constitutes current flow.